took the baskets?
Yeah, the carts, they stole them about 2 days ago.
Ain't y'all got cameras in here?
Doesn't matter. I mean, it's just some random.
That's a damn shame.
This one here has an issue. It has an error issue, and it has a communication issue between it and the board. And so what your dealer's going to do is the same thing anybody else can tell you. They're going to say, first switch this control unit with a good one. And if that ain't it, then you go in, there's 2 more boards in the back that will switch with a good one. And we'll diagnose which actual component's causing the problem. It could just be a loose wire. Simplest, repair first. We're going to go in here and see if the wire's loose. There's nothing there that can be loose. There's nothing there. And so we'll unplug it. All right. So first we're going to try this. You shut up. The beeping is the computer telling you there's an error issue. And so what we're going to do is we plugged it in, we repowered it. Obviously that didn't fix it. We know this one works. So we're going to pull this computer out and put it in. And if it has the same issue, we know it's not that computer or the coin mechanism. This is the simplest way to diagnose this without spending a bunch of money on parts. People ask me this all the time, and I say this is what I would do. Okay. So it's going to go through its thing. It's going to read up. It's going to boot up. Right now it's checking itself. See? So it's not the computer. So we can put this back knowing it's not that. It'll stop beeping here in a second. So we know it's not the computer. And we'll test this one by running it in a good dryer. If it's not the computer board, there's 2 in the back. There's a control board. We're double checking by running this one. So we're going to get a quarter and run it through like you normally would. I'm going to put on no heat because our clothes are already dry. There we go, that part's working. So now we got to go in the back. I already got some of the covers off. This is going to be a huge pain in the butt. But the 2 control boards are right here. See, here's one. There's one. One back there. One of those is causing our issue. And I think the wire's not hooked up. That's what I think. So we're looking for stuff unplugged. This thing's flashing 3. The igniter's locked out. I just turned the power back on. Man, it doesn't like this at all. I think it's the ignition, the sparker. We're going to take it out. I think the sparker, if you look at it, it's flashing 3. And 3 means that it has a flame lockout. So I'm thinking that this might be bad. I changed this already because it was bad, but I think this is bad too. I think we have some electrical gremlin. So we're going to pull this out, go to a machine that has a good one, put it in here and see if it is this. We're going to go down here because people don't use dryers at the end as much. They use the ones at the beginning. Because otherwise we'll have to go out there and Mark made a liar out of me. They're using them at the end, never mind. We'll steal this one. I got to clean back here. If you can't tell, it needs to be clean. So that's going to be the other thing today I got to do. Just taking out the 5/16 screws on the back here. Get this panel off. And we'll take out this one. I've just been so busy. All right, let's see what that does. All right, let's go fire her up and see what she does. That's twice, guys, now. Twice. You can catch it. Twice. It's got another issue. Well, that one's fixed. See, one good thing came of cleaning. I found an ignition board. I think it's brand new. I think I did buy a spare. I just didn't realize I had it. So let's go back to the dryers, plug this in, try running and see if it works. Now, we're not going to get crazy mounting it. We're just going to lay it here for now. Let's go start it up. If it works, we'll bolt it all together and we're done. Just scare you.
Okay.
Turn. I work here.
They done took the baskets.
Yeah, the carts, they stole them about 2 days ago.
Every damn one.
Yeah.
Ain't y'all got cameras in here?
Doesn't matter. I mean, it's just something random.
That's a damn shame.
Yeah, we got some more ordered, but it'll be a couple days
Are you
before.
the owner though?
No, I just work on the stuff.
He's a good guy.
Well, we appreciate it. You know, all the dryers work. Usually what I like to do with it is make sure it runs for a complete quarter. See that over there running? When you have dryers, the new dryers have a feature that every so often after they shut off, they'll tumble so you don't get wrinkles. That's what that is. So until somebody opens up that door, that thing will constantly, every so many minutes, turn to keep from having wrinkles. Looks like we're good here. All right. Throw this away, we're done. That's good.